Alpine shredders. Simple, solid, reliable. 3 words that reflect our approach to engineering that can pay huge dividends to your business. Our secure document shred trucks provide the utmost reliability, high throughput, and maximum efficiency. Let's take a closer look. We are the only shred truck manufacturer that builds the entire shred truck. Our skilled craftsmen build the shredder body with precision and care using high-quality raw components. At Alpine, we include standard features like stainless steel framework, high-strength roof bows, tight bolt patterns, and fuel-saving aerodynamic front fascia. We believe safety is very important. That's why our trucks are built to OSHA guidelines to ensure safe operations. The heart and soul of our Alpine advantages starts right here. Simple shredder and simple maintenance. With only 6 major parts, our low-speed, high-torque shredder is engineered to handle the toughest shredding jobs and has earned a reputation for lasting durability. Simple, solid, and reliable. Individual planetary gears drive each solid cutting shaft, resulting in a superior power density and higher cutting force, shredding the toughest material with ease. What is a solid shredder shaft? It's a shaft constructed from one solid piece of aerospace-grade steel. That solid foundation is then milled to precise dimensions on a 5-axis CNC machine. After a case-hardening, heat-treating process, the final shred alloy shafts are 3 times stiffer than the stacked cutter sets. This results in the industry's best combination of core toughness and wear resistance. Simple, solid, and reliable. Our optimum cutter sequence and aggressive hook profile yields high throughput without any shredder shaft adjustment. In fact, our Alpine solid shaft design only requires daily greasing of the 2 sets of bearings in the shredder block. In our Pro Series, we incorporate a large shredder drone area for storage of extra boxes, collection consoles, and carts. Simple and reliable. The electrical panel consists of local, easy-source components. These relays, fuses, and timers are proven reliable and designed to minimize any potential downtime. The curbside operator's panel allows total control of shredding operations, curbside, including features like remote engine management, shredder start-stop, PTO engage, and shredder camera with color LCD monitor. By far the best cart lift in the industry, our SureGrip lifter hugs all industry collection carts. Simple, solid, and reliable. After the paper is shredded, the robust auger compacts the paper. Proven extremely reliable for hundreds of years in many industries, our express conveyor offload system will save you time and money.